If you wanted to restore Google Backup on POCO M8 5G, then here's what you can do. You can actually restore the Google Backup during the initial configuration, or once you are done with the initial configuration, you can also find a notification about finishing setting up your phone or something like that, and you then also have a chance to do so. But essentially, during the initial configuration, once you see the Google sign-in page, of course you want to sign into your Google account where you have the backup. After that, of course, we need to agree to Google terms of service. We need to go through a couple of options in here. So let's get it done. And this is what we are looking for: copy apps and data, this specific one. In this case, you need to tap on next, and then if you have Google Backup on your account, then you should be able to see it in here, and you should be able to select it, and then of course use it. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.